Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing by exploiting trending untapped niches. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can find those untapped trending niches. Okay, first you need to go on Pinterest trends. And when you scroll here you can see what topics are currently trending on Pinterest. And here you can see Christmas nails. Monthly increase 400%. And that makes sense because most of the Pinterest users are actually women. But when I copy this, Ctrl C, and when I go here on Pinterest, I actually installed the sort pin so I can check out my competition. I can check out engagement on each of those posts. And when I search that here, press enter, here I can see that competition here is very big, it is very strong, 21,000 likes, 68,000 likes. Now competition is too big, it is too strong, which means I need to niche down. So I will go back here on Pinterest trends and here I can see Christmas cookies, winter nails, 100% monthly increase, yearly increase 20%. So what I can do, I can actually do something similar to Christmas nails. So for example, I can simply go here and I can search something like, for example, New Year nails. So here I can see that is actually a trending topic. New Year nails design 2024. So when I click here, I can see this is actually a huge increase in past few days. Here I can see some more topics, related topics. Here I can see most of the people who are searching this are females, as you can see here, and mostly between 25 and 44 years old. Actually between 18 and 45 and 44 years old. Here you can see some posts. But let me check out competitions. So I can simply copy this, Ctrl C, and go back here on Pinterest, and I'm going to search that here and press enter to check out competition. And here you can see actually competition for this term is not that big, it is not that strong, which means I can rank as a top result for this term. And as we saw, this is actually a trending topic, which means people are searching this, I can get traffic. But what I can also do, I can go on Pinterest ads and I can search that here. Now, here you can see there are no data. So what I can do, I can simply delete this and then press enter. Look at this. New Year nails. More than 5 million monthly searches here on Pinterest, which means this term here actually has a good potential. Many people who search New Year nails will also search New Year nails 2024 and they will find our post, which means this is actually a good topic. And like I said, you need to follow trends, you need to follow big holidays. Next big holiday is New Year, but it is only a few days from now. But you can also create something similar, for example, for Valentine's Day, okay? So what you need to do next, you actually need to start making posts. You need to start creating Pinterest posts. Now for that, you can simply go here on Canva, and then here you can search Pinterest pin. And then click here, and here you can find lots of templates, but I don't want any of these templates. So what I need to do, here I will simply search for nails and press enter, and here I can find, look at this, these are all nails related pins that I can use to actually edit any according to my needs, and I can upload that on my Pinterest account. So for example, when I click on one of these, for example this one here, and when I click here customize this template, I can customize this template here. But what you need to do, you need to use royalty-free images. Where you can find royalty-free images, you can simply go here on free pick and on freepick.com, and here I will search for nails and then press enter, and here I can find royalty-free nails related images. Look at this, these are good images. So for example, let me just use one of these images here. So for example, I just say I wish to use this image here. What I need to do, I need to click on that image, I need to click here on download and click here on free download and download this to my desktop. And next I need to go back here on Canva, and then I need to click here on uploads, and I need to click here on upload files, and I need to find that image that I downloaded. This is the image, I will upload it here on Canva. And all I have to do now is just drag this image here, and here you can see this is my image, and I can change this here and I can change this here. I can even change the background color. For example, let's just choose one of these colors. Let's just say this one here, and this is how it looks. And the color of this text, I will choose to be white. For example, I will say white, and now here you can see how this actually looks. You can play with this just to see all the things that you can do. After you finish, all you have to do is just click here on share, and then click here on downloads, click here on download again, and download this image to your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you need to upload this to your Pinterest account. So simply go here, click here on create, and now you need to click here and find the image that you just created in Canva. This is the image, and this is really important. You need to optimize this pin for Pinterest. That is really, really important. So pay close attention. In the title, you need to include your main keyword, and that title should make sense. You can't just go and add some random keywords. It must make sense. Something, for example, like this: sparkling nail designs to welcome 2024 in style. Also, you need to add a description, and description should also contain your main keywords and secondary keyword, but it has to make sense. If you just add random keywords, then it won't make any sense, and your pin won't rank that high on Pinterest, because Pinterest is actually looking those stuff. So you can say something like this. For example, here you can see I included my main keyword, and also I added some hashtags to help me to rank even higher on Pinterest. Also, here you need to add a link. Now, simplest way to do this is to actually go here on Amazon and to search something related, in this case, nails, okay? Nails, and here you can find lots of nails related products. As you can see here, simply click on one of these products and then click here on text, and then here you will actually get your Amazon affiliate link. All you have to do is just copy this link and then go back here on Pinterest and add that link here. Yes, you can use direct Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. That is allowed, okay? Here you need to choose a right board. Here you need to choose a right topics, tags for topics, for example, nails, okay? And I need to scroll through this, okay? Winter nails. Now that is closely related to my topic, okay? Because my topic is New Year's nails. And you need to find as many tags as you can that are related to your topic, that are closely related to your topic, okay? And add those tags. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and that's it. You will publish your post. Now you need to upload at least 5 or 6 posts like this every day on Pinterest. Valentine's Day is actually in month and a half, so you have enough time to prepare enough posts for Pinterest and to upload those posts and to start getting traffic and to start making sales, to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, and in this case with Amazon affiliate marketing. But like I said, you can promote products from any affiliate network, but this is really important, so pay close attention. You can add direct affiliate links only from SlideShare and Amazon here on Pinterest. That is important to remember, okay? But like I said, if you start now with Valentine's Day, you can actually start getting lots of traffic and you can start making money. That is really important, and that is how you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.